That's its territory. Well, good morning. It is
Morning.
Wednesday, guys. We've made it halfway through the week, and if you loved it yesterday, you're going to love it today. Here's a look at Mount Laguna, the observatory towards the north, starting to see a glimpse of the sunrise this morning. We do have the marine layer west of the mountains. Here's a look at our satellite to see the gray clouds, the marine layer, low clouds, and also some patchy fog. Not as dense right now, but we could see some patchy dense fog through the morning hours. So it's extended all the way into the valleys and the foothill areas. It'll begin to clear by 9-10 o'clock this morning for the valleys. It'll linger a little bit longer by late morning across the coastal communities, and then plenty of sunshine for the rest of the day. It'll return later on tonight, again into tomorrow morning after 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. We'll see that marine layer roll in once again. 70 is the current temperature at Lindbergh Field. The winds are light out of the north at 3 miles per hour. 64 right over El Cajon, 71, a bit warmer over Descanso. And for Borrego Springs, also 10 degrees warmer, 81. Julian, 66. Mount Laguna, 53 degrees. Temperatures are running much cooler than yesterday, especially for the inland valleys, 1 to 4 degrees lower than yesterday. And even the mountains looking at 4 to 5 degrees lower than yesterday at this time. In the dew points are definitely doing very well. They actually have lowered for the valley areas. Look at Ramona, 58, Jamul, 59, even Escondido, even Temecula in the mid to upper 50s. That actually is very, very pleasant, very comfortable. So there's less of that moisture, sticky moisture in the air. Even the mountains, look at that, 20s and 30s. I mean, you can't beat that. Along the coast, we still have dew points that are actually pretty high in the mid to low 60s, which makes it a little muggy, but definitely seeing those dew points dropping each and every day. Here's a look at our surf and sea report. If you're going to the beach today, our sunrise at 6:08 this morning, our sunset at 7:39, expecting low rip currents and waves 1 to 3 feet. Waves are going to be very small, and the high tide right around 11:20, our low tide at 4:39 this evening. Yesterday at Lindbergh Field, we had a high of 79, about 3 degrees above the average. So seasonal, just slightly warmer than the average, but actually not bad at all. 87, Dulzura will be the high today, 91 for Campo. Mount Laguna with 82, right over Escondido, 86, not bad. 85 for Poway, Del Mar, 72. Right over Palomar Mountain, 77. Temecula a bit warmer as usual, and also Ramona with 93 degrees. Oceanside just perfect with 73. For Scripps Ranch, here's your temperature trend for the rest of the week. We're looking at temperatures to remain pretty similar, so not a huge change, pretty much 1 or 2 degrees lower or higher, and 85 will be pretty much the average temperature through the next 7 days. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast powered by AccuWeather. Coastal temperatures in the upper 70s. We'll have more sunshine over the weekend as that marine layer begins to shrink and high pressure strengthens just a bit. We're going to have a very slight warm up beginning on Friday through Saturday. Inland areas 93 the next couple of days to upper 80. So it depends on where you're at. If you're closer to the foothills, you're going to be a little bit warmer. And by Friday, again, 94 over the weekend. Temperatures are going to remain pretty much the same. And the mountains, 82 for the next couple of days. We do have a very small chance of some monsoonal moisture moving through the area Friday, but especially Saturday, it looks like that's where we're going to have the best chance. The desert's triple digits across the board. It looks like today through Friday will be the warmest days, and then Saturday and Sunday through next week, temperatures will begin to gradually cool down just a couple of degrees. Here's a beautiful shot from Jeannie, La Jolla Cove. I know I've showed this one, but it's just absolutely so beautiful. The sun looks gorgeous with the purples and the yellows, and this is from Kamala. This was last week's monsoonal moisture surge, and it is absolutely beautiful. You can see the clouds. It almost doesn't look like San Diego. It just looks like, I don't know, the Midwest or something with all those cumulus clouds.
I know, seriously.
All right, thanks, Francella.